Welcome to PromoDirect. Are you looking for an efficient and cost-effective way to fulfill your large product orders? Look no further. With our Factory Direct service, you can save up to 50% on your orders. Choose from any product on our extensive website or let us create a custom product tailored specifically for you. We specialize in a wide range of product categories, from simple printed bags to intricate custom drinkware. Whatever your needs, PromoDirect has got you covered. What's more, we have a detailed 20-step protocol to manage every facet of production. No need to worry about quality control. We handle that for you. Concerned about product safety or CPSIA compliance? We manage these critical aspects to ensure your peace of mind. From start to finish, PromoDirect takes care of the hundreds of details involved in an import project, so you don't have to. Take advantage of our 30+ years of experience in sourcing, product design, global logistics, and product compliance. Save time, save money, and get exactly what you need with PromoDirect's Factory Direct service. Contact our team today to learn more about our Factory Direct service. Let us help you find or create the perfect product for your needs.